this funny? Yeah, I'm so stupid. Wait, I feel like yeah, I forgot. Actually, like, try to put like a lot, like the whole bottle on this. This time I'm not gonna make like a really expensive, a lot. Oh, he got it. And this is white glue, guys. That's not clear glue. So he said it's a party slime. If you guys hear screaming, that's our baby brother. That's enough. Yeah. Okay. There's no more? Okay.
Okay, so now I am gonna. Oh my god, it's been so long. What do I do? What next?
I thought you put this in.
No, water. Okay. Water.
So guys, I'm gonna go wash it when he puts the glue in it because.
Oh, I already put the glue.
Oh yeah, it's true. I'm sorry. Never mind.
Oh, I forgot. It's turning. Dumb baby. Dumb man.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm not gonna put the whole thing. I'm just gonna put. Boom.
Okay.
Now I can mix, I guess. I'm scared that it goes wrong. If it does, then it's a waste.
Yeah, if it does, don't try it because it's like wasting your glue.
I'm going a little bit slow with this because I don't want to spray on my table.
And guys, if you guys are interested in those like slime videos, subscribe to him because he's gonna be doing 5 parts, right?
Yes.
So subscribe to this channel. It's gonna be lit.
This is my third part.
He's gonna do more vlogs, guys. It's not only gonna be slime.
Yes. Okay, so this is good, I guess. And now I can put the glitter.
Yep. Are you gonna put the whole thing?
This beautiful glitter. Yes, I am. Okay, I know how to do it. I'll go in like that. And I am like that. What?
What happened?
I don't know.
Okay. Whoa. That's actually like a party slime. Just gonna move that out of the way.
Look, you barely see anything.
Look, you guys. Can you wait? Yep, look at that. Is cool. Why don't you not mix? Oh, okay, if you mix, nothing's gonna happen. So it's just gonna stay like that, guys. I don't think you have to mix.
Yeah, I can.
Whoa, that looks really cool.
I'm not putting my hands in there. It's gonna be messy. The slime. Okay, now I can put activator.
So slime activator? Yep.
Where's it? Cleaning next time.
Okay. He just put the dirty water where there's like some.
Oopsie.
Oh.
It's okay.
He just put the water that he put in this pot in his bottle where he drinks at night. That's so weird. Are you gonna clean it?
Yeah, I'll do.
Okay, good.
I'm actually gonna use this to mix.
Oh, I hope it's gonna turn out really good. I think it is. Oh yeah. Where is it? Do I see it? Guys, yeah, it's right there, guys. It's cool.
Glitter's all at the side.
It's right there.
Almost.
So you guys can like see this big chunk in the middle. Yep, here.
This is actually cool. Oops. What is all this, man? Mix. Mix, 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 mix. Let's see how does it look on the camera. It's cool.
Yeah. Guys, I'm super sorry. Like, if you guys hear screaming downstairs, I don't know what's happening.
It's not even sticky.
Whoops. Sorry. If it's no, it's not sticky. Okay, so that's actually good.
I don't know. Okay, lift this up. Now oh my god, it's all
Slime. Oh god.
Take it off. Take it off. Shh. Don't see anything.
Oh my god, it's super cool.
Take it off.
Is it stretchy?
It's gluey.
Oh.
Stretchy. Yes, it is.
Yep. Okay, I guess that was a success, so you guys can try it. So if you guys didn't really understand the ingredients because we didn't even tell them, so white glue, 30 millimeters of water, pour it in, mix.
Yes.
What is it next?
Next is the glitter, but you guys don't need glitter.
Yeah, it's optional.
It's optional.
And
then after activator.
Is it 5 millimeters?
5, yes.
Yeah, 5 millimeters, and
yeah.
that's it. And after you pour it in and you mix.
Okay.
Is it pokey? Okay, guys. So we thought this slime was gonna be a fail, but look at that. It's cool, working well.
Well, look what I did.
Whoa.
So yeah, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Part 3. How to make Nickelodeon slime. It's now getting sticky. What? I'm gonna pour it in. Okay, so yeah, if you did, smash that like. Oh my wow, it's gonna clean. If you did like this slime, party slime, cause I did this slime. I decided to do this slime because my birthday, me and my sister's birthday, is in 7 days.
It's 6 days. For January. Yeah. Okay.
Look.
It's pokey. Is it fluffy?
No, but slime. Sticky. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy this cool party slime for my birthday, smash that like button and subscribe to this channel because I am gonna do more vids. I just did 3 vids in my whole channel, but it's okay because I just started yesterday. So yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy this vid. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe.
We said that a lot of times.
I know. Yeah. It's okay. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye.